If you want to add your GoDaddy email to Gmail so you can check all your messages in one place, you're in the right video. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to connect your GoDaddy email account inside Gmail using POP3 so you can receive your emails directly from your Gmail inbox. This is great if you want to stay organized, save time, and manage personal or business email from one dashboard. And if this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser and log in to the account where you want to add the GoDaddy email. Once you're inside Gmail, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. From there, choose See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings menu where you can access more advanced options. Now, in the Settings menu, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This is the section where Gmail lets you connect other mail accounts, send mail from other addresses, and import messages from outside providers. If you've never done this before, don't worry. It's a straightforward setup, and I'll walk you through each part carefully. Next, find the option that says Add a Mail Account and click it. A new window will pop up asking you to enter the email address you want to connect. Type in your GoDaddy email address, then click Next. Gmail will now ask how you want to import the messages. At this point, select Import Emails from my other account, POP3. This is the key option because GoDaddy email will be pulled into Gmail using POP3 settings. Once you choose that, Gmail will move you to the server setup screen where you'll enter your login details and mail server information. Here's where you need to be careful and enter everything correctly. In the username field, type your full GoDaddy email address, not just part of it. In the password field, enter the password for that email account. Then, in the POP server field, type mail.yourdomain.com. If your domain uses a different mail server provided by GoDaddy or your hosting setup, use the correct POP server for your account. After that, set the port to 995, which is the standard secure POP3 port. Make sure you check the box that says Always Use SSL. This is important because it encrypts the connection between Gmail and your GoDaddy mailbox, which helps keep your email login and messages secure. Once those details are filled in, take a moment to double-check everything. A small typo in the email address, password, or server name can stop the connection from working. When you're ready, click Add Account. Gmail will now try to connect to your GoDaddy email account and verify the settings you entered. If everything is correct, Gmail will successfully add the account and begin importing your messages. Depending on how much mail you have, it may take a little while before all your emails appear in Gmail. In some cases, Gmail may also ask whether you want to be able to send mail as this address. If that option appears, you can follow the prompts if you want to send emails from your GoDaddy address directly through Gmail as well. But if your main goal is just to receive emails, the POP3 import setup is the most important part. Once the connection is complete, go back to your Gmail inbox and wait for your GoDaddy messages to start showing up. You can always refresh your inbox or check back later if the import hasn't started immediately. After everything is synced, you'll be able to manage your GoDaddy email right inside Gmail without switching between platforms. And that's it. You've now added your GoDaddy email to Gmail. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.